yes, football na ye boni ndina se team no ebegyina yia and a injury room is your midfield. I'm gonna chase a game no obetimi awini anase ubeluchwa. Eti yepese here the midfield of the two teams, you know, both Hasselfolk and Kumase Asante Kotoko. Now that Ayala before Bebem Grano, and now your boy can to voice bia. Now I can't no I catch and rant and say top 4 the timing was wrong. Because now Kotoko bomb matches be binti. Now the players know on my break kaka. And a man has a deal munku yoha. A man supporters no cry. But this time the timing is right. Because Kotoko arrest ye league no so I must start you on my day call a yakra. Na komo kwa krani na no mission here ba kope to go and beat Hasselfolk. And yes omo ko do so omo kon kran no omo ko no ma ko che Hasselfolk. Na kwame operado kasama for the ma Hasselfolk ete ya no kan you to na kasa no. Okay ene Richard so mo tena sia. Momo we man say ene yen so Hasselfolk no. The can dey chere kan to ene operado.
The most important thing is to go out there respecting your opponent. But when we get onto the pitch, you put all of that aside. We all fight for the dream. Although 477 from a top to down, but when we descend onto the pitch, there's a lot that is at stake. So everybody will fight for it.
As we speak,
okay, and I know you're Kwame Operado. And I say, what did the crimes to Nekoto for Nekan Kasomo Bankai? About the show, Muna. Asamba Kupano Bakachiko team no. First of all, I respect or more respect the Kotoko team no, because Kotoko is big. But on the field of play in the omu few say omu what it takes Yami Adama Kosiada, Omeshe Kumasi Asante Koto Noma claiming all the maximum 3 points at the Accra Sports Stadium. And no, and leading to your discussions so no engine room of the two teams, Hasselfolk, Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Tight one. Very, very tight. But Adia Bakubi ahahas injuries. Se enye injuries how Rich enka in this super class way has will have a consistent midfield than Kotoko. Oh yes. And Mamima evidence. This is radio. Rich, you started season. Kotoko midfield no had changed a lot trying to find a perfect formula. Until there were times name above midfield nida. Emmanuel Nhyira set Kojoabo. The only consistent figures El Kotoko midfield has been Adabo and Ubejewu.
When names have Omuko, I started from Omuko, South Africa. No?
Yes.
You have been consistent up to now.
Yes. But even with those two players now, Rich, there is a caveat. Ubejewu, because the guy has shown as a born on Nimbo and found only baby out in the Jina. Rich, you didn't Jina Hane, and they chatted Nekujina, and they chatted Nekujina, and you Ubejewu, wabo 8, wabo 10, wabo 7. The last time I call Barbara Sports Stadium, Ekohe Ubejewu, Rich, he was playing number 10 because na Adabo NSS Kojo Ejanechi assist and 8. Before I give no, the last time I call Barbara because you know Ubejewu was playing as a number 7. Makwako he Ubejewu because there was a place for either Neymar and I say Emmanuel entry in the midfield in T. No about number 8 with Adabo as number 6. Enti the two constant players of Kotoko are almost all their games say enye pranya yarea omoye permanent features aya double the number 6 row no any Hube Jewa he has ever been present in the Kotoko midfield. Their candidate entry bebo kakra name bebo kakra said Kojo bebo kakra. But Rich say me Kotoko bo no mubo against Ayala na they are not going to change their midfield against us. And if they don't change, what I mean, and they say the Kotoko midfield no, ebeye Adabo as number 6, Seth Kojo as number 8, Hubejew as number 10. That is going to be Kotoko's midfield for the Super Clash. Unless it be busy. Now let's switch to us. Sir, Madika can just say any injury, Haas would have had the most consistent midfield. Because Rich, Edru maybe na other sorry mpa. You can mention 3 players Haas midfield on Bebo. Karim, Rafael and Ponsa, Hussein. They were permanent features. Omunim so Bebo. Obi obabeka mu amabo bia whether Paako or whoever Esubonten Wayo do obabeka mu bia no they didn't mind because some kofo me and some abodin you know which they were growing a certain chemistry. And it's all day Paako Beshema they don't have a problem. Or the Rocky Jamna Beshema they don't have a problem. Or the Esubonten Ba or the Wayo Ba obi ade babeka mu bia no they never had a problem because some 3 players needed they were there. Now Rich, ahead of this game, you have to say they are back to full fitness. And if they are back, then it means has to go back to them. Karim, Rafael and Ponsa, then Hussein. But Rich, tactically, and I explained it on the tactical board the last time when Mekato said I wanted to break down how Didi able. Rich, this season, Didi asked Tiki to play 4 midfielders in every game.
Double for 14.
4 midfielders. Enti Sakarimba, Rafael and Ponsaba, now Hussein or order that. Expect Didi to add other Paako, Rocky Jamna, or 1 additional midfielder to the team. I think say Didi Susu say has him now over 2 years. On suddenly firepower, and when him want to score goals. Name no, or a lot of midfielders are more great, or more tenacity, or more near den, and on the ball. And why don't I build the team on the grounds of the strength of the team? Team, Memphis team now one day, and I'm building team no. Me come and you know, now me resubmit me and solve the weakness of the team, and that is intelligence from Didi Dramani. Rich, is it today? He had Kwame Poku. He had Albert Amoa. And all Peter Miduakwa. From the start, no. Oman no me fit, oman ready to play. All could him no. Morphine don't be available. Fit. Saka Dauda be available. Fit. Nema be available. Fit. And because of number of 4 is our one, he had always preferred to play only 3 midfielders. So the team can accommodate 3 forwards. And again, the last time I Kotoko boy almost share 4 no. Rich, midfielders no, say the Mabodino were Adabo, Abenti for the said Kojo, any Hubejew, send a be any mono bet in your bo, Saka Dauda, send a ball last time, Saka Dauda, Peter Miduakwa, and a Morphine those as the striker. And once that is the way Zito wants to play, I think he will still maintain the 3 midfielders. Dini Dramani have one advantage. They are in football tactics. You have a numerical advantage, you know, or more numbers in midfield than Karim Zito. But Rich, in playing the ball, what it means, they say, Haas will have more touches in the midfield. Among myself power. But because Kotoko, our 3 frontmen, no, they want to play more direct. Enti Haas jibo na obeso obo. Fifi. But Kotoko jibo na obeso bo no edu omani mo for no on them. That is going to be the difference. So Kotoko will be playing more direct football. Haas will want to play more of possessive football. Enti within the 2 stars, no. Why and about within a uncle. Now, Rich, say they know a year. Adabo Seth Kojo, Hubert Joe, Karim, Rafael Amponsa, Hussein, then say Paco. Say, Kase, Yenye, ye combine Midfield for Kotoko ne Hasa. The question is, why in a building? Rich, based on the Medimania this season, our midfield consistency, the number of games on my ball, how good am I? Rich, Samekase mutual so 4 midfielders, a combined Kotoko Hasa. Rich, I have Kotoko player I'll open the room.
It's Joe.
Yes.
Joe Vitinha.
Because sitting right in front of the defense will be Karim.
Adabo on convincing was at home.
I think Makada may say Adabo, what he is suffering from, the intimate is suffering. And you saw Unimbo Papa. But Unim, it takes time to be appreciated at Kotoko. Especially so was our Rona. Because Rich Anya Shekwano, they don't go back. Omuko Mechiya. They have Blay and Agadas. And that is their standard. And it's how Bana said, it has to take you time to build to that level now. We'll begin in Obianche. And it's all there. Intimate. Rich, the first season, na Obobo Kwana Kotokophobia bufu. And it was like Obejina Boni Mumpo. But for who say Edumrebi, he obviously became the best midfielder in Kotoko. And for Musi and friend of Blasters. And go and prank a friend of Blasters so. Because the guy was playing so well. Sana that body edit here. Okay. With time. Rich, people will start seeing him for who he is. He's a very, very good player.
Call me in South African. I was like, the guy is good.
He's a very, very good player. But Uba in terms of Anna, standards now you will not fit in. And to which then is it.
Okay.
Karim was set. This season on Rich.
Karim no mobile.
This season
that has a Karim guy any Hussein
from Nations. And to him, this season Rich. Saudi are making. And yet and conform brain a better as. But I'm telling you, Rich, say any prayer, there will be few and will compete with Rafael and Ponsa for box to box this season in Ghana Premier League. He has been playing so well. And conforming in the so and some year combined for Kotoko and Hasa. Which Midfield will be Karim, Rafael and Ponsa, Hussein and Hubert Jau. Nti Korokofon ntiase Haas will crowd them. They have to be intelligent and be more direct. Take the ball out of the midfield. Nenko di mumu forwards in him. That is the only way Kotoko can create situations against us. But say ye babo bonu won fifia be dan dan ya ho dia. Haas numbers no will outweigh omo numbers no unless reach ebi ayakin. Na Sunday ye betia say line up the buy no. Na Kotoko so have forsaken one winger and now one wing forward and play another midfielder. Senegal they can match us in numbers. Say yes,
okay.
Half will have more possession, play it among themselves. Whilst Kotoko will play more direct football. Our Sunday game there, Baba Rich. Sunday we empire be drop.
No, they are transport them. No, I don't know. Na Yamia Duma Bronya we. Yaboko Takradi.
Tadi.
And
as I say, the Fifi.
I'm say Fifi.
So on any fee.
Fifi in Honti. Also, almost two carnival in Yezu. Hey, Santa Crade Carnival.
Fatilo Code. I think right now that is the best in the country.
Nkobida. But Obi me bia wa kobida bia ba no kan. The experience in Nhyira is a basa.
And it's one of the best in the world.
Kai. Enti afi Bonva stores say or the nipa be free kumbanse.
Oh sir.
Edi be free nkan. Ni atena bas me ye Kotakrade. Na I started from the 24th. Now could be 28th.
Oh nice.
So in the full package.
Oh nice.
Okwa baby abeda. Eduane a ubedi
just for that carnival.
For the carnival.
Wow.
Obi won zo nkobida.
When you come Kobe.
Me say
take the opportunity.
Yeah. Who's a fatilo kobai no.
Aye.
With the videos the picture I was like
this is crazy.
I'm for can the fatilo so buy no.
You have to be part.
The okay some ya so me kona me nya experience e wum. Enti nyame ya do ma Bonva stores say apart from so dey am for two kwan ekwa broche ni ade ni na no sometimes ya mo me nsu abrofo no kakra so yen change environment so we the bronya okumase sa this time for wura tadi ko jiwani so the carnival enya asem kitokra ya be ko e de busua e beach